friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. In my last video I told you about division of monomials consisting of more than one variables and having their power both of positive and negative power. But now I am going to tell you about division of polynomials. Polynomials you know very well, it is a mathematical expression consisting of more than one monomials. I mean, in this mathematical expression it has more than one term. Okay, so now take an example for better acknowledgement. First example, here this is an example for division. It is the dividend and it is the divisor, you know it very well, and always be careful for it. Always write the polynomial in standard form. Standard form means descending order of their degrees of the terms. I mean, here it is a polynomial, it is a mathematical expression consisting of more than one monomials. Here power is 2, then power is 1, and then power is 0. It means the polynomial is in standard form. Similarly, the divider is in also standard form. Here power is 1 and power is 0. So now let's solve it in tabular form. 42k square minus 32k plus 6 is to be divided by 7k minus 3. In division, first focus on the first term of the divisor and the dividend. Here the first term is 42k square, and in this divider the first term is 7k. First divide the first term 42k square by 7k. Here 42k square divided by 7k. Then factorize it. 7 into 6 k into k divided by 7 into k. Factorize the numerator, factorize the denominator, then cancel it. 7 k k. Then the answer will be 6k. Then write the division answer. I mean, if you multiply this with 6k, then your answer will be 42k square. Again I repeat it. If you multiply 7k and 6k, then your multiplication result will be 42k square. 7k into 6k is equal to 42k square. Then write here 42k square. And next you have to multiply the second term of the divider with this same result. I mean, minus 3 into 6k. Here minus 3 into 6k. Then answer will be minus into plus, minus 3 into 6 18. First multiply the coefficient. 3 into 6 18, and there is no variables, only one variable, this is k. Okay, now subtract this value. So at the time of subtraction the sign will be changed. Plus 42k square will become minus, and here minus will become plus. Plus 42k square minus 42k square, it will be cancelled, and then minus 32k plus 18k, both are of opposite sign. Then first select which is the greater numeric. 32 is greater than 18 and the sign of 32 is negative, then put the negative mark, and then subtract the numeric. 32 minus 18, the result will be 14k, and similarly the remaining term will come to down, minus 14k plus 6. As per our numerical calculation on the time of division, always we check the remainder. If the remainder is greater than the divider, then we again divide the remainder. Otherwise, if the remainder is smaller than the divider, then the remainder is keep on as remainder. We can divide at any more. Now check it. Here the power is 1 and here the power is 1. So now we can divide it. If here the power is smaller than the divider power, here the power of this polynomial is 1, and at same time the power of this polynomial is 1, same power. Now we can divide it. If there is power 2 or 3 more than this power. I mean here power is 1. In this polynomial the degree of polynomial is 1. In this polynomial if degree is 2 or 3, here is greater power than that, so we can divide it. But now degree of polynomial and degree of polynomial both are of same polynomial, 1 and 1. Now we can divide it. Again focus on the first term of the both divisor and dividend. Divider is 7k and dividend is 14 minus 14k. Then minus 14k divided by 7k. Then the answer will be minus 2 into 7k divided by 7k. Okay. Then as per multiplication rule, we know cancel the numerator and denominator. 7k cancel. The remaining answer will be minus 2 is the division answer of minus 40k by 7k. And write the same value on question, minus 2. Then put minus 2. At the time of division, always be careful for the sign, because one sign can change the value of your result. It will be hamper for your exam. Okay. 7k minus 2. 7k into minus 2, it will be what? 14k. We know very well because it is your division result. When you multiply with this, minus 40k will come out. And then next term is minus 3. Here minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2. First divide the first term with the first term, then write the result at the place of quotient, then multiply every term of the divider with the division result to solve it. I mean first 7k into minus 2 is 14 minus 14k, then minus 3 into minus 2 it will be plus 6. Why a plus 6? Because multiplication same sign means same sign multiplication is become positive sign, and then as per multiplication you multiply the coefficient. Here coefficient 3 and 2 they are constant. 3 into 2 is 6. Division means a special type of subtraction, and you know at the time of subtraction just change the sign. Here will be minus will be become plus and plus become minus. Minus 14k plus 14k plus 6 minus 6. Then answer is 0. It means remainder is 0 and quotient is 6k minus 2. Then answer will be 6k minus 2, and this polynomial is completely divisible by 7k minus 3 due to remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 means it is completely divisible. Okay, again I repeat it. First, always write the polynomials mathematical expression in standard form. Standard form means descending order of their degrees of their terms. Here in this polynomial there are 3 terms and degrees 2, 1, 0. Already I write it in its standard form. Similarly, you can write the divider in standard form. Then first follow the division rule. First rule is always consider the first term of the dividend and first term of the divisor. Then divide it. Dividend by divisor. First term of dividend by divisor. Then the answer will write at quotient place. Then multiply the same 6k with each term of the divider. 7k into 6k will become 42k square, and minus 3 into 6k will become minus 18k. And you know in the time at the time of division we subtract it. Then so at the time of subtraction change the sign. 42k square will become minus, and minus 18k will become plus 18k. And as for addition and the subtraction, here the answer will be minus 14k, and then plus 6 comes to down. Minus 14k plus 6. Now here it is the divider, same divider, and dividend is new. Dividend is new. Now check dividend and divisor power. I mean here check the degree of this divider and check the power of dividend. If degree same, then we can divide it. If degree of divider is greater than degree of dividend, we can divide it at any more. If same, we can divide, or smaller than the dividend degree. I mean here degree is 1 and here degree is, maybe here degree is 2, then you can simply divide it. Again I repeat it, if degree of divisor is smaller or same to degree of dividend, then we can divide it. Otherwise we can't divide it at any more. Here degree is 1 and here degree is 1, then we divide it. Okay, then first follow the rule. 7k here first term and here first term is minus 14k, minus 14k, then divide it, dividend by divisor, minus 14k by 7k, your answer will be minus 2. Then write the minus 2 at the quotient place, minus 2, then simply multiply each term with this minus 2. 7k into minus 2 will become minus 14k, minus 3 into minus 2 will become plus 6. Then subtract it. At the time of subtraction, change the sign. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Then subtract it and your answer will be 0. Then your quotient is 6k minus 2 and remainder is 0. Remainder is 0 means it is completely divisible. Okay. Here is the second example. We have to divide 24n square plus 60n plus 24 by 3n plus 6. I write both the expression in standard form. Degree in descending order 2, 1, 0 and here 1 and 0. Then first follow the rule. First term is 3n and here the first term is 24n square. Then first get the division result of the first term, 24n square by 3n. 3n into 8n divided by 3n. If factorize 24n square, it will become 3n into 8n and 3n is 3n. Then cancel the 3n and your answer will become 8n. Then write the same answer at the quotient place, 8n. Then multiply each term with the 8n. 3n into 8n, 24n square, plus plus into plus, same sign, plus 6 into 8n, it will become 48n. If in doubt at the time of multiplication, how you multiply it, how we change the sign, how we add it, subtract it, then follow my previous video. Already I have cleared in my video how to subtract, how to add, sign rules at the time of mathematical operations. Please visit my previous video and clear your doubt. Any doubt, then comments me on that video. Division means special type of subtraction, then change the sign. It will cancel. 60n minus 48n. 60 is greater than 48. They put the sign now plus, need not to put a positive sign. Then answer will become 12n plus 24. Right now check the degree of the divider and the dividend, 1 and 1. Then we can divide it, no problem. Then first term is 3n and here first term is 12n. 12n by 3n. 3n into 4 by 3n. Cancel it, then your answer become 4. 4 means plus 4, then write here plus 4. Plus 4. Then each term multiply with this 4. 3n into 4 will become 12n, plus into plus plus, 6 into 4, 24. Then change the sign, minus minus. Cancel 12n minus 12n plus 24 minus 24. Your answer is 0. Then your quotient is 8n plus 4. 8n plus 4. Division result of this by this is 8n plus 4. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update of my video. In my next video I will show you some more examples regarding division problem for your better knowledge. Thank you so much.